Good morning. I'm fixing some bacon for breakfast. I'm going to cook extra, so I will have me a bacon tomato sandwich probably tomorrow for lunch, since I have that baked potato today. Just made me a little toast out of that artisan bread. And there's some of the cooked bacon. And now I'm cooking Sammy's food. Yeah, I got 1.5 pounds of, here she comes. She's like, you're doing what? 1.5 pounds of turkey and rice, which I think that's about done. I'm gonna turn that off. She says, I'm gonna get a drink. When you do a video, I gotta get a drink or I gotta talk. Yeah. All right, that's almost done. So I am fixing to leave right now. We are gonna go check the river and see the the levels of the river and see if it's going to be possible for us to kayak or to even float. I have not a real inner tube, but one you buy at, Walmart or whatever. So we'll either see if we can float on it or we can kayak or both or whatever, but we're going to go check out the river levels to see if we're going to be able to go down the river. Okay, I think this is where you park and then you float down the river and you get out here. So we're gonna go see if there's water here in this part of the river. You are here. Turkey roost. Maybe we'll see some turkeys. We found water! Yay! Yay! This is the tube takeout. You don't want to miss this sign. Last exit before park boundary.
Well, we could float into our campsite.
Yeah. Oh, this is nice.
Yeah.
We can do this.
Absolutely.
Nice. See how slow it is?
Yeah.
So it'd be probably a 4-hour kayak.
I could take a nap.
Yes. Oh, yeah, this is doable. Very much. Nice. All right, this is where you put in. And then you float down the river that way. And there's a short takeout that you can take out and then walk this trail back up here and then go back and get in the water. Let's go down here and look. All right. It is low, but we think it's doable. I have to walk it sometimes, but once we get around the corner, I think it'll be good. We're gonna walk down to the corner and see if we can see down that way. So it's not gonna be today because it's cold today. We're in jackets, so we're not gonna kayak today or float the river today. We're just scoping it out. So this is where you can take out, you float all the way down here and then you get out right there, climb these stairs, hike back over there and do it again. Or you can continue on down to where I showed y'all earlier, where you can take out, which that's what we're gonna do. Junction. Downtown Junction, the Texan we're looking for. There's Main Street Mercantile. Oh, there's the laundromat. Buster's Laundry and Cleaners. Wash and dry.
General store,
West Bear Creek. Oh, a general store. How cool.
This'll be better.
Yeah. Oh, they got clothes.
They do. I think you'd look cute in that dress.
Yeah, not.
Oh, come on.
Here's the bridge. Bloody Bucket kayaks and canoes. Oh wow, look how wide
this is nice.
the river is here.
Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. we're gonna have to get a soda somewhere and then come back down there.
Okay.
Oh, that's pretty.
Pretty. Yeah, it's like a waterfall right there.
Is there?
Looks like it.
Oh yeah. We could go.
It's so
off
much
it in the
fun.
kayak.
It's so much fun that I get to be a passenger and see.
You could roll your window down. You wouldn't have dots all over your video.
Oh well. Okay, what's wrong with this sign?
Yeah.
It says, no loitering is allowed on or in front of these premises. But they put chairs out there. They put a bench. That's fun.
You need to put your window down.
Put your window down. There's some geese. Those are different than we had at Inks Lake. Oh, you can step down into the water there, I guess. A little cutout. Nice. Drop the phone out the window.
Toss it in the river. Why are you flying past me?
There's some sleeping ducks.
Look at that. There's a little dock.
There's a little platform. Great fishing spot. Oh,
Oh,
wow.
you can walk out there?
Yeah.
How cool is that?
Go fishing.
Look.
I could come down here and go fishing because I have my fishing license. Oh. Nice. Woo. Whoa.
Like
you're in
in
our
our spot.
Hi. Bye. Shake your little booty. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. For dinner, I'm having that leftover baked potato that I got at Doc's yesterday, in yesterday's video. And so I put a little more butter on it and some cheese, melted the cheese on it because I have a microwave. Well, I'm plugged in, so I have electricity. And a salad with some sunflower seeds, a little bit of cheese, and some cranberries, dehydrated cranberries. So I'm gonna eat this baked potato and this salad and call it good, because it is good. Had the law enforcement people come by and tell us that we're gonna have a major hailstorm between midnight and 1, somewhere around there, and to get prepared. So you can't park in the grass here at the state park, but you can park in the grass tonight. So, not officially. So anyway, I'm kind of under a tree in my truck camper, but I have lost my windshield to hail before. So we were brainstorming, and this is what we came up with. So I put my rug, carpet mat rug, to give it some buoyancy, I guess, underneath the tarp. Put the tarp on there. So if hail hits that, then I think we'll be good. And then we tied it down. And then we've got it, of course, held down from the door. So it's really tight. So I'm prepared. There's the tree above me. So that's probably pretty good. And
Put the Jeep under the tree.
yes, the Jeep. This is Leslie's Jeep, and it's gonna go under this tree.
All the people are
Although, yeah, all these people over here already moved under trees and got in the grass. So this one, we're gonna put the Jeep under here. And then she is gonna maybe move her rig to a tree location. We are prepared. We're ready.
Bring it.
Bring it on. No, don't. Please, no.
Pass us by.
Yeah, pass us by. Okay, I know y'all can't see this, but the Jeep is protected too. Under the tree, and the windshield's protected. Woo. Okay, it started hailing. It's like it hailed just, and then turned into rain. It's like, ooh. Okay. It's okay, baby girl. It's okay. Okay, I think all is well. I think the hail has stopped. All is well. Let's go to sleep now.